When it comes to choosing the right gutter material for your home, two options tend to rise to the top of the conversation: copper and aluminum. Both are popular, both are proven, and both offer unique advantages, but which one truly reigns supreme? The answer depends on what you value most in a gutter system, from performance and durability to appearance and long-term investment. Let's break down the differences so you can decide what's right for your home. Aluminum gutters are the most commonly installed option, and there's a good reason for that. They're lightweight, resistant to rust, and cost-effective, making them an excellent choice for the majority of homeowners. Aluminum gutters perform well in a wide range of climates and can be custom formed into seamless systems that reduce leaks and maintenance. They're also available in a variety of colors, allowing homeowners to match or complement their home's exterior with ease. Copper gutters, on the other hand, are all about longevity and aesthetics. Copper is an extremely durable metal that can last for decades, often 50 years or more when properly installed and maintained. Over time, copper develops a natural patina that many homeowners find visually appealing, giving the home a distinctive high-end look. This makes copper gutters a popular choice for historic homes, luxury properties, and homeowners who want a statement feature rather than something that blends in. Cost is one of the biggest deciding factors between the two. Aluminum gutters are significantly more affordable, both in material and installation, which makes them accessible and practical for most budgets. Copper gutters are a premium investment, often costing several times more than aluminum, but they offer long-term value through durability and timeless appeal. Maintenance is another key consideration. Aluminum gutters are relatively inexpensive and less labor-intensive to repair or replace if needed. However, many people choose copper specifically because they appreciate how it naturally ages over time. So which material reigns supreme? For most homeowners, aluminum is the practical champion. It's reliable, affordable, and effective. For those seeking unmatched durability, character, and long-term elegance, copper stands at the top. At the Brothers That Just Do Gutters, we believe the best gutter material is the one that fits your home, your environment, and your goals. With the right material and expert installation, both copper and aluminum can deliver exceptional performance and protect for years to come. If you liked this video or found it informative, please give it a like and a comment and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.